things the committee is doing is to...
Noticed, this problem is not only with this county, it is in many counties. And the other account is revenue correction accounts. 6, then there is 69, then there is... And during the handing over, what was handed over? How many accounts was handed over?
We must get to the depth of this matter so that we actually know, because these are not personal money. These are public money. We must know how these accounts are being operated.
We would want fuller information around the accounts, because even to help you, once you move from centralized CRF collection, you may end up with 86 times 2 accounts.
These accounts were opened long time ago during local government. Senate is also 12 years old, and now time has come. We agree on a template on the way to go. Otherwise, when I read on the papers, I see Nyandarua, 86 counties. I wonder now, what do I do? And I found them there. If I go crossing them, then what do I do?